Hey guys, today I'm going to share with you how to make my favorite chili con carne and beans. So if you want to learn how to make this super easy and delicious recipe, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Alrighty guys, so here I already have all of my ingredients. As always, they will be listed in the description box. So with that being said, let's begin cooking. Alright guys, so I already cubed my chuck of roast. So now I'm just going to season it with salt and black pepper. Okay, so just make sure that it gets evenly coated. Okay, so once we have seasoned our meat with salt and black pepper, now we're going to take it to the stove. Okay, we're going to grab our Dutch oven, cover the bottom with oil, set it on high heat, and allow it to heat up. Once the oil gets nice and hot, we're going to place our meat, and we're going to begin to sear it. Make sure not to overcrowd it, so like that they can sear nice and even. After the minute, flip the meat over, and allow that side to sear for another minute. After the minute, we remove the meat from our pot, and we repeat the process with the rest of our meat. Okay, so after we remove our last batch of meat, we're going to set our heat to medium, add a little bit more oil. We're going to add our onion, green pepper, and chile serrano or jalapeño. We're going to cook it for 3 minutes. Make sure you scrape the bottom of your pot. Okay, after 3 minutes, we're going to add our minced garlic. We're going to mix it, cook it for 30 seconds. Okay, and after 30 seconds, we're going to add our maseca. This is just going to thicken everything up, and it's going to also give it a nice flavor. So mix it together. Now we add our crushed tomatoes, the tomato paste. Mix it. And once we dissolve the tomato paste, we're going to add our beef broth. Okay, so just mix it. We're going to add our chili powder, along with all of our spices. Mix it again. Okay, now we're just going to bring this to a simmer. Okay, we're also going to add our brown sugar. This is just going to balance the acidity from the tomatoes. Okay, and once it comes to a simmer, we're going to add our bay leaves. Reduce the heat to medium-low. Cover it and allow it to cook for 2 hours. And after 2 hours, our meat should be nice and tender. At this point, make sure that you check it for salt and see if you need to adjust it. And also one thing that I forgot to mention is to make sure that you move your meat around once in a while, so like that you prevent it from sticking to the bottom of your pot. So my meat is done. So now we're just going to add our beans. Just mix it. And we're going to give it another 20 minutes. Okay guys, and after 20 minutes, our chili con carne is done. So here we're going to turn it off and get ready to serve. Alright guys, and once you get ready to serve, you can shred your meat or just enjoy it as a whole. And I'm just going to be topping it with some cheddar cheese, some cilantro, and green onion. And I like to serve it with some chips. And just like that, we can get ready to enjoy. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. Now let me tell you guys that I hope you give this recipe a try. It's so easy to make, and of course, you know, the longer it sits, the more flavorful the meat gets. But just like that, I am so ready. So cheers and enjoy. It's so flavorful. It's a little spicy, but the meat, the beans, and the chili, so perfect. Alrighty guys, and there you have it, how to make my super easy and delicious chili con carne and beans. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and if you recreate this recipe, please don't forget to tag me in any of my social medias. And if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys keep part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.